Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Baseus Bowie MC1 open ear truly wireless earbuds. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $50. I repeat, $50. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox them and then we'll see how they look. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Baseus Bowie MC1 open ear truly wireless earbuds. Now, like I said, these are going to run you $50. And on a side note, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, here we go. $50. Let's check these out. All right, so inside, get your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. This is going to be your charging cable. USB-C to USB-A. Okay, shoes, expect that for quality. And these are going to be your earbuds. Now let's check these out. Little sticker struggles. Okay. The Bowie MC1 open style earbuds. Now when you first see these, they might look a little bit strange, but trust me when I tell you, this new design is the future of open style earbuds. Now again, they come in black or white. All right, so let me set these up and then we'll walk through the specs. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now these are available in two different colors. You got white or black. These are Bluetooth version 5.4 and the codecs is SBC and AAC. Now these feature multi-point connection. That means you can pair two devices at the same time. Now they're IP57 dust and water resistant. These feature an open ear design which weigh only 5.2 grams. Now you got a 3 magnetic driver system with adaptive bass. You got dual noise canceling mics that feature wind reduction. The battery life is 9 hours on a single charge with a total of 40 hours using a charging case. Now you got a customizable button for your music playback and you got an app that's available for Android and iOS that lets you customize all of your settings. All right, so all of that for $50. Now when you first see these, the shape is going to look a little bit weird to you, but trust me when I tell you, this is the future of open style earbuds. Because a lot of people don't like earbuds that go inside of your ears because everybody has different size ears. These, they don't go in your ear, they clip on your ear. So these are guaranteed to fit any ear style. Here's how they look now. On one side, you're going to notice you got an actual button, which is multifunctional and has a nice little satisfying click. And again, my favorite thing about these is they just clip on your ears. Now, like I said, they're only 5.2 grams. You could wear these all day long. After about 10 minutes, you're going to forget you got them on your ears. All right, so let's grab a phone and pair these up. All right, so before we pair them up, let's take a look at the charging case. Plastic. Got a little LED on the front. Little Baseus branding. You got your Bluetooth pairing button and a USB Type-C charging slot. Now let's check the magnet strength. We'll start with minimum shakage. No movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. No movement. So what does that mean? When you drop the case, they're not going to come flying out. All right, so here's a closer look at the actual earbuds. Again, the open style design. These do not go in your ears. So these are going to give you the supreme level of transparency mode. Perfect for riding your bike in the middle of the night. Perfect for wearing these at work and you still got to hear your surroundings. Perfect for wearing just one of them and talking on the phone. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the case and take them out, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Baseus Bowie MC1s. The next thing you want to do is download the Baseus app. Now once you get them paired up, here's how it's going to look. You got your battery percentage for the case, the left and the right earbud. Now you got your sound control, so we got it on normal, music, or cinema. Next you have an EQ control, so you got Baseus Classic, you got Hi-Fi Live, Jazz, Treble Boost, Acoustic, Rock Classic, and you can have a custom EQ. Now as you can see, I already got one set up. But we'll start off with Baseus Classic. Next, you got bass boost. You got low latency mode, perfect for gaming. Here's your touch controls. So you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, answer and end phone calls, and volume up and down. You also got Find My Headphones, and you got some settings. So the app is simple and straightforward. All right, so now let's talk about the look, the fit, and the feel. Now, I'm wearing the black ones right now, and like I said, these are super lightweight. It almost feels like you have nothing on your ears at all. After 10 minutes, you're going to forget you're wearing them. Now, let me do the head shake test. Let me take off my glasses. I'm going to start with minimum shakage, no movement, intermediate shakage, no movement. Let's do maximum shakage. No movement. I could even go to ludicrous shakage, and these are not going to move. And let me show you how they look. Check this out. And like I said, no matter what size ear you have, these are going to fit because they're not in your ear. They just clip right on your ear. Beautiful. Again, they might look kind of weird at first, but once you start wearing them, you're not going to want to go back to regular earbuds. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. All right, so we got a classic song queued up. We got Mariah Carey, Always Be My Baby. Now I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I'm going to try not to get emotional because this song has a very special meaning to me these days. And I'll tell you what happened real quick. My nephew had a baby, okay? My brother who passed away, his son had a baby. I went to the baby shower, and his sister, okay, which is my niece, this song came on at the baby shower, and she dedicated it to my brother. And when she was singing it, I could see the pain in her eyes, and I kind of felt it. And I was like, you know what? This became one of my favorite songs. I don't even know why I'm gonna sing this one right now for y'all, but I'm gonna try to get through it. Now we're gonna start off at maximum volume. I got the EQ set to, let's see. Let's start the EQ on normal, okay? And the sound signature on Baseus Classic. All right, here we go. One tap for play and pause. Let's get it on. Okay, now, keep in mind, listen for sound leakage. Let me be quiet for a minute. Y'all hear anything? All right, we got to do this together, y'all. Okay. All right, Shoes, I need you to scoot. Okay, do y'all hear anything? Shoes! Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, y'all hear anything? These sound crystal clear. I can still hear my nails on the table if I want. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. All right, hold up. They sound great, though. Where was one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seems the last thing that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. 'Cause in my heart, baby, our love will never die. Let's get the Shoes, and it'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Oh, baby, don't you can't escape now. Oh, nothing, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Until the strong. No, that you can't escape now. Oh, nothing, 'cause you'll always be my. All right, let me calm down. All right, let's take it over to the EQ. Okay, let's try music. Okay, music actually sounds a little bit better. All right, let's go to the EQ. Let's try hi-fi. Let's see. Okay, hi-fi sounds good. So far, I like the Baseus Classic. Okay, jazz hits. Ooh, okay, for this kind of music, you need treble boost. Let's try rock classic. Okay. Acoustic. Love will never end. And always be a part of me. Woo! Okay, let's try the custom. Okay, now the custom actually sounds good, but I'm gonna keep it a buck. I think I like the Baseus Classic the best. No, treble boost. Because you'll always be my baby. All right, hold up. Let's take it up. Let's take it to something else. Let's try a different genre. Okay, I was getting a little emotional just now. Okay, take a little reggae music. Now, I'm going to be quiet for a minute. Do y'all hear any leakage? I'm right by the mic. People fed up. Hold up. Poor people fed up. They sound so good, though. We are still leader, MRD arranger, who make poor people surrounded by danger. Woo, let's go. Okay, hold on. All right, calm down, Floss. Calm down. Listen to the button. Let's count the button. Now, look, if y'all know anything about me, music just hits me different. Bro, let me tell you something. The best thing about these, now all jokes aside, the best thing about these is the weight. Okay, you wearing these, and keep in mind, when I said ludicrous shakeage, I'm not joking. You could do 26 backflips wearing these. They're not going to move at all. And keep in mind, they're not inside of your ears. They're not inside of your ears. Now, I got to be 100% honest with y'all. Don't buy these thinking they're going to sound like these. Okay, the difference between these and these kind of earbuds go into your ears. So they're going to be louder. They're going to have way more bass. But if you wear these kind of earbuds and you put on transparency mode, after a while, you're still going to feel those earbuds in your ears. These, you can wear these at work all day long. You can sleep with these on. You can work out. You can do whatever you want. You're not going to feel these, but you're going to hear your music crystal clear. I am feeling these. And like I said, this is going to be the new wave for open style earbuds. Let's do a little bit more testing. Now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? So as you can see, they're connected. So I'm going to take them out, drop them in the case, wait for them to fully disconnect. Okay, there it is. Now watch this. Take them out. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 3 Mississippis, and they reconnected. That's excellent. All right, so now let's check multi-point connection. Can you pair two devices at the same time? So we got an Android phone and an iPhone. Now I'm going to put these right by the microphone. Let's start with the Android phone. You hear the music? Now let's try the iPhone. There's the music. So multi-point connection works flawlessly. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's find out. I'm going to hit play the music. Okay, now first I'm going to take out the left side, drop it in the case, close it up. The right side is playing. Let's put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. There it is. Now I'm going to take out the right side, put it in the case, close it up, and the left side is still playing. So this is pretty dope. You can use either earbud independently, basically doubling your battery life. And like I said, this is the perfect style of earbud to wear one at a time. Super comfortable. All right, so now let's try out the touch controls. And keep in mind, you got a nice physical button. So when you're wearing these clipped around your ears, all you got to do is press that button. Okay, single press for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. There it is. Double press to go to the next song. Okay, triple press to go to the previous track. Okay, and on the right side, long press for volume up. There it is. And on the left side, long press for volume down. There it is. Now, of course, you got your voice assistant. Hey, Siri, what's the weather for tomorrow? All right, so all of the touch controls work perfectly. All right, so now let's check for latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? No lip sync delay at all. And check this out. If you look closely, I activated low latency mode. So when I'm watching my videos, no lip sync delay at all. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up Amaya. Baseus Bowie MC1. Let's get maximum volume. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? Oh, okay, let me guess. Eating. Oh, okay, of course. Big back, backitis. All right, check this out. All right, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm doing a video, right? How do I sound? No, I'm using earbuds. Earbuds, headphones, earbuds, same thing. Same thing. Headphones. Okay, let's say headphones. Y'all young cats, man. How do I sound? That sounds good? Okay, so now, what about now? What about if I use my in-the-house voice? You can still hear me? It sounds better like this? All right. Oh, my bad. I got a natural loud voice. You hear any wind noise? You don't hear no wind noise? Okay. No, okay, just checking. All right. All right. What about now? Okay, you hear it a little bit, but it's not uncomfortable. Okay, so you can have a full conversation with me like this. Okay, okay. Let me ask you a question. How would you rank these? All right, on a scale of 1 to 10. A 7? Okay, you sound pretty loud on my end, but a 7? Okay. The people respect your rankings, trust me. All right, I got one more thing I got to ask you. Bye. Okay. Amaya gave these a 7. When I put the wind noise on, she said she heard a little bit of wind, but it wasn't annoying. Okay, a little bit of wind, but it wasn't annoying. And keep in mind, you got to remember that these are not inside of your ears. Okay, they're just resting on your ears. But the call quality sounded great. On my end, I would have gave it about an 8. She gave it a 7. That's good enough for me. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Baseus Bowie MC1s a major go. And at $50, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. The best thing about these earbuds is the fit. The fit is so lightweight and comfortable. I'm telling you, you wear these, you're not going to remember you got them on. You're going to end up sleeping with them on. The sound quality is legit. Call quality is legit. The only downside to these would be if you're looking for super loud music, these ain't them. If you're looking for a banging bass, these ain't them. But these are going to give you the supreme level of transparency mode. Now, again, if you want loud extra bass, get regular earbuds. But if you're going to be working out outside at night, riding your bike, maybe walking around the streets, riding the subway, you need to be aware of your surroundings. Y'all need to check these out. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. # salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.